In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to measure distance between two locations using Google Maps. So all you have to do is launch Google Maps and then navigate to where you want to measure the distance. So let's say I want to measure distance between these 2 points. So this is Kiganjo and Narumoru. So these 2 points, what you need to do is put a temporary pin at the starting point, of course, by long pressing accurately. Of course, the more you zoom in, the more accurately you can place the pin. That's a more accurate placement. So once you place a temporary pin, the next thing you want to do is swipe up, and then you should see the option to measure distance. So tap on that, and then that's going to turn that into a temporary pin. Now all you have to do is move, place add a point, and then move, add another point there, and then move again, add another point. You want to add as many points as possible so that you can be as accurate as possible in your measurement. Okay, so let's continue up to our destination, and the more we add points, the more it tells us what distance we've covered from the starting point. Okay, now if you have corners like that, just make sure you take care of those corners so that you can have the most accurate measurement. Now even mine is not the most accurate. You can be much more accurate than this by taking every corner. And let's go all the way to Narumoru. There you go. And from the starting point to where we are now is 26 kilometers, as you can see. And that is basically how to measure distance between 2 points using Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.